my God. Thou art giving and forgiving, ever blessing, ever blessed, wellspring of the joy of living, ocean depth of happy rest. Thou our Father, Christ our brother, all who live in love our God, teach us how to love each other, lift us to the joy divine. Mortals join the mighty chorus which the morning stars began. Father love is reigning o'er us, brother love binds man to man. Ever singing march we onward, victors in the midst of strife. Joyful music lifts us onward in the triumph song of life. What joy you bring to my soul, no matter what trial or darkest despair. The joy of mercy so sweet, of grace that abounds, Christ on the cross. What joy you bring to my soul, no matter what trial or darkest despair. The joy of mercy so sweet, of grace that